Welcome to Murphy High School. Located on a 28-acre campus at 100 South Carlin Street near downtown Mobile, Murphy High School is a proud tradition of excellence. 14 buildings accommodate approximately 1,400 students and 110 faculty and staff members. In 1982, Murphy High School was placed on the United States Department of the Interior National Register of Historic Places. Murphy High School strongly believes in offering students the opportunity to earn college credit while still enrolled in high school. Because of this belief, students at MHS have the opportunity to enroll in the Murphy University Center, the signature academy of Murphy High School. With courses from the University of Alabama Early College, Bishop State, and Start South, students have access to the highest level of education through their high school classroom settings.
Hi, my name is Kaylee Knight, and I serve as the admissions representative for UA Early College. We are so proud and truly honored to have such a continuously strong and unique partnership here at Murphy High School. These are high-achieving, ambitious students that we look forward to having in early college every year. We have an entire section of our first course designed specifically for Murphy students, where they are able to attend their first class meeting in person on campus.
The International Baccalaureate IB program provides high school students with a rigorous, globally recognized curriculum that emphasizes critical thinking and interdisciplinary learning. It fosters a well-rounded education by encouraging students to engage in community service and personal growth. Additionally, the IB program enhances college readiness and global awareness, helping students develop the skills and perspectives needed for success.
IB is free, so anyone can take IB if you're willing to push yourself academically and sometimes mentally a bit too. IB is a great course to take. It really helps you realize how good you are at really seeing what you can do. It helps you understand the people around you because it builds a community around you. Especially having a smaller IB class, you take all the same classes together, you go on trips together, you take your exams together. It's like you get a new branch of life through IB.
Murphy Culinary Academy offers students hands-on experience in cooking and food preparation, teaching essential skills such as knife techniques, recipe development, and kitchen safety. These classes also provide insight into the culinary industry, including food presentation, nutrition, and the business aspects of running a food establishment. Murphy Culinary has won the Grilled Cheese Meltdown in downtown Mobile and participated in other culinary events, such as beef, pork, and peanut, and star competitions. Students in the Culinary Academy work closely with the agriculture students through Farm to Table. Murphy Farm to Table Academy is a unique approach to allowing students at our urban school to learn the importance of fresh, local produce through agriculture while addressing accessibility in our area. This program continues to expand and offers student valuable knowledge on nutrient-dense food and sustainable agriculture. We are thankful for partners like Spire Energy who contribute time and resources to the farm. Leadership is a quality held in high regard at Murphy. Our Marketing Academy students gain skills in digital media and public speaking. This program fosters creativity and strategic thinking, preparing students for diverse career paths and higher education opportunities in the marketing field. From marketing to military, our students are prepared to excel in any direction their future takes them. Murphy JROTC Academy prides itself on excellence and achievement. Our cadets compete in drill, rifle, color guard, and robotics, and have brought home many victories. Career readiness is why the Academies of Murphy exists. We prepare students for a wide range of career pathways, including those in the arts. Murphy Commercial Photography Academy gives both the technical education of photography and the insight into building their own business. The courses provide students with technical skills and creative expertise that can be leveraged for future business ventures, enhancing their ability to create visual content and market their products or services effectively. Murphy Fine Arts Academy has a long-standing history of being top tier. With students acting, singing, and dancing all over the world, there is no denying that this academy prepares students for careers in their field. At our Academy, programs are empowering students to realize their full potential and equipping them for long-term success. Explore how our programs can impact your pathway to success. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a visit.